If your air conditioner isn't working properly, you're probably asking the same question most homeowners do. Should I repair it or should I replace it? The answer depends on a few key things. First is the age of your system. If your air conditioner is under 10 years old, repair is usually the best option. Between 10 and 15 years, it depends on the situation. Over 15 years, replacement often makes more sense. Next is repair cost. A general rule is this: if the repair cost is more than about 30 to 40% of a new system, it may be time to consider replacement. But it's not just about one repair. If you've had multiple service calls, ongoing issues, or rising energy bills, those are signs your system may be nearing the end of its life. On the other hand, if this is your first issue and the system has been reliable, a repair can give you several more good years. At the end of the day, it's about balancing short-term cost with long-term reliability. If you're in Barrie and not sure what the right move is, the best step is to have your system properly assessed, because every home and every system is different. Call Affordable Comfort. Home comfort made easy.